How to calculate age automatically in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Select the cell where you want the age. Then type equal sign, year, start a bracket, today, start a bracket again, and close the bracket. After that, close the first bracket. Then add minus, year, and then select the birthday cell. Close the bracket and press enter. You'll find your age pop up automatically. To make automatic age of all, you can simply drag it at the bottom and you'll find automatic age of all the names. This is how to calculate age automatically in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.